me, Southern Crab. Okay, next let's going to do the wire wrapper and the chain. Yeah, permanent jewelry here is just a try. Yeah, a try. We test to use the different things for DIY. Okay, let's going to try the wire wrapper. Today we are going to make some braid design for the rings. Braid design for rings, and here I'm going to make a braid for the ring with the braid that I posted today's new tutorial. I just posted the new tutorial of the 5-wire braid. 5-wire braid. Let's going to try it to a ring before we are making it to the bangle, and now let's try it to a ring. I'm going to let's see if the wire. This is the 0.5 millimeter wire, and it's work. And let me see if 0.6 the wire can be stringed 2 millimeter beads or not. Let's test. Hello, Yoni. Happy to see you. Okay, so here the wire 0.6 is work. So I'm going to use the wire 0.6. Okay, let's make the rings now. So I cut it 20 centimeter, 2 piece 20 piece 20. Hi, Royston. Happy to see you. Now we are going to use the piece of the wire here, fold it at the middle. Fold the piece of the wire at the middle, like this. Thank you. Like this, make a loop. And this is the piece of the wire we are going to wrap it the beginning. Wrap a loop. So we are wrap it several times here. I wrap 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so now is with the loop cut. And tight. So this one is the loop. We are making a braid ring, dear. We are going to make a braid ring. And then let's go into braid it here. Here 1 wire and 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 and 5. So it's total of 5 wire. We're going to braid it. First, we will be string the beads at the piece that's with the loop. That's the wrapper on the loop. So with the 2 millimeter beads here. This way. Okay. I shoot by the opposite, so it will be more easy to understand. Is this one? Thank you, my friends. If you are first time here, thank you to be my friends. Okay, then cover the wire at all the 4 wire all the 4 wire on the up. Yeah, up the 4 piece of the wire here, like this. Cover it. And the next one. It's 2 millimeters, so it's a little bit small size. Okay, then next one, I put the piece of the wire at the right side out. Okay, then also cover the beads, cover the wire at the all the other 4 wire on the up. Yeah, all the up. Okay, then again here. Thank you, my friends. We are braid a piece of the ring by this technique. Then here we string on the left side, this one, and is here. And fold the wire on the all the other 4 wire at the up. So it's up. Then this one we have not string any beads. We're going to put on. So 1 time left, 1 time right, 1 time left, 1 time right, turn by turn. So this one here, and fold it. Okay, so it's folded. Then this one, the last 5 on the side. Okay, we're going to string the piece of the beads here. This one, and fold it. Fold it here. It's like this. And another one here. We can actually string the beads several pieces all in advance. Then it will be faster to braid. So I string about several pieces, 2 or 3 piece beads first in advance. Let's string with 3 piece beads on each wire first. Here. Here. Three piece the beads. Thank you, my friends. It's a way that to share with you. Use the wire 0.6 making the ring by ourselves. Here. Okay, so here you will find this way, and then let's go continue. Okay, now it's the turn. It's the turn the right side. This wire come, and if you are, we can show you by this plier. Fold it here, and come the beads. Come the beads. We can fold it here. And again, this one. So it's always keep the seam like this. Okay. Then again here, and the fold here. Come the beads. Okay. Fold like this. Just need to braid it neat. Do you cross 2 or 3? Cross 2 or 3. Actually, I just always put the wire at the upper of the wire, not cross 2 or 3. With 5 here, with 5 pieces of the wire here, braid. It's here. Then this one. It's always folded like this. And come here. Come the beads this way. Thank you. This is a channel share with you how we making the jewelry by ourselves. So it's like here. Thank you. And come the beads. Come the beads. Come. Come. Here. And come this one. Okay. So this is the way that's to braid the ring like this, and here the last we are going to fold it the wire, and here fold here, and we're going to tie the 4-piece wire, all the 4-piece wire, we're going to tie them together. Okay. So it's braided like this. Then we're going to use this one. It was 2 wire and add with 1, so total is 3 pieces together at the beginning. It's like actually the picture like here I show you. Beginning is like this, 5. The beginning is 5 wire, then braid like this, so it's come like here. If you want to learn this one, go to my TikTok page. The tutorial page will find the free tutorial with the video 657. Okay. 657 you can find the free tutorial. Here we're going to make a size 9. Okay. Here we are going to cut away the wire. Cut away the wire and put here. This one I think it's more easy to braid a bangle with the little bit thick sides of the wire and the beads. Beads bigger like 4 millimeter. Tight. 5 wire braid. This one with 5 wire braid maybe someone easy to be lost. So I'm going to share with you 3 wire braid. 3 wire braid will be easy. Okay. So this one, the piece of the